So we're gonna kill two birds with one stone. We're gonna work a little bit on phrasing, meaning holding some things out and emphasizing some things, but then we're gonna really put some Americanisms into them, which what Americans do, which defines the American accent from any other accent that there is. Okay, so we're going to kill two big things. I'm going to give you the big ones. Okay, so if we put in some of these big ones here and there per line, we've got to put in at least one or two of these per line, and that's going to give away your that's going to give you your American accents. Okay, guaranteed. But you're going to have to practice this. Okay. Mm-hmm. Can you say to me, "Hi Peter, how was your day?"
Hi Peter, how was your day?
Good. So you need to say, "Hey Peter." You need it. You got to emphasize your R's. If you want to be American. Mm-hmm. Hey Peter.
Hey Peter.
That's it. That's better. Hey Peter, how was your day?
Hey Peter, how was your day?
Good. Good. So ers are huge ones. Okay, big ones.
That's it. Oh my gosh, this is good.
You can't say Peter because you went like this. Peter.
Yeah.
Peter. You got to say Peter.
Peter.
You got to get it in more. Peter.
Peter.
You got to work the harder. Hey Peter.
Hey Peter.
That's a huge one. Even that there wasn't worked hard. It was Peter. That was kind of
Peter.
halfway through. You got to get the mouth like this. I see that. Peter. It's going to be
Peter.
Yes. That's not the. No, we're going to practice a bunch of different things like this. Okay.
Yep.
So is your big one. Okay. Your second biggest one. You got three, really. Is the main one. Okay. A. Overemphasizing your A. And it's nearly, they've got numerous A's in America. Mm-hmm. They've nearly got like a water. Instead of water, it's water bottle.
Yeah, it's almost like English, isn't it?
Water water bottle. So
water bottle.
That's it. Beautiful. That's super American. Water bottle. Wah.
Wow.
You can't honestly believe her. You can't honestly believe her sub story. You can't wah. You can't honestly A's a big one. See, there's a wah and an ah. There's, as I said, there's about 3 or 4 R's that I was about to swear them on video, that they bend, okay? But I'm not going to go into all of them because I want to give you just your real main ones. Mm-hmm. R, A, and O. They're your main ones, and these are vowels. So you know when you hold anything, you know you can only hold vowels. So you know if you're going to drag out a word,
yep.
You can only hold vowels. You can't hold a consonant or a syllable. You can't hold P, go straight to E. Mm-hmm. So that's why we're focusing on your vowels. So when you're doing these, you got to Americanize your vowels. Okay. That's one thing. Just write that down. That is your cardinal rule. Americanize your vowels. New York, or New York. It's New York. It's not New York. It's New York. Or emphasize that. New York. But that goes to do with phrasing. You know, that happens when you're actually copying and doing it all the time.
Yep.
And that's where you're just going to have to copy and copy and copy.
Yeah.
Is your phrasing. Okay? Water bottle.
Water bottle.
New York. York.
New York.
That was English.
Yeah, it's a hard one. It's because of the R and the K.
New York.
New York.
You got to drop your New York. New York.
New York.
New York.
New York.
It's a bit English, but it doesn't matter. It's as long as we're getting close, because you know Americans kind of go half-half. There's sometimes English and sometimes it's not always like that. I'm overemphasizing some different things. Time. Say time. Time. And
time.
That's it. Time. Bend it. Time to have some fun.
Time to have some fun.
Fun. It's fun.
Fun.
Fun. Fun.
Fun.
Fun. Time to have some fun.
Time to have some fun.
That's it. Good.
I
Okay.
think I'm getting the sickness. My voice was really nice this morning.
Time to have some fun. Yeah, we got to make sure that you warm up properly. Few. About. Say few.
Few.
And I want the more few. I want the oo to be smaller. Few.
Few.
That's it. Fuse. Do it again.
Fuse.
Good. About. I want ah.
About.
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 That's it. About.
About.
That's it. Time for some fun.
Time for some fun.
It was okay. Time.
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 Tam. Say tam.
Time.
Time for some fun.
Time for some fun.
This is southern though. Once they start to really bend like that, we're starting to go more. I'm trying to get this happening harder, but I'm going more and more south. Time for some fun. That's how they speak down there. Time for some fun. Fun. So I don't want that. We want standard Hollywood. That's what we want. So they'd be going time for some fun. Fun like that. Okay. Okay. You can't honestly believe her sobbed. Her.
Her.
You can't. See, so we're going over our two main ones are and ah. And ah. They're the big ass American ones. You can't.
You can't.
Can't.
You can't.
Can't.
Can.
And I'm bending it. You can't honestly,
You can't honestly.
believe her sob story.
You can't honestly believe her sob story.
We've got some practice to do. You just got to mirror that. Yeah, you can't honestly believe her. Let's do this. Her. Really bend it in. Her.
Her.
That's the one that you got to do. The can't and the her in this line are your two major players. You can't honestly believe her sob story. I'm also going sub. I'm not going sob. See, my English accent is very narrow. Sob. I'm saying sub story. It's like a sub. S-U-B.
Sub. You can't honestly.
Can't.
You can't honestly believe her sob story.
All right.
Her.
You got to pull it in. Her.
You can't honestly believe her sob story.
That was better. Her.
Her.
That's it. That's how you got to hit it. You got to hit it like that. You can't honestly believe her sob story.
You can't honestly believe her sob story.
It's better. It's a lot better, but it needs a lot of work. You just got to practice.
Just get back to it.
But I'm giving you the main things, and we're putting this into practice here on this line.